I'm Bosworth, the founder of Love Wellness, and I'm so excited today to introduce you to our new Bye Bye Bloat Depuff and Sculpt Routine. I'm so excited. We are launching 3 new Bye Bye Bloat products. We have our Bye Bye Bloat Firming Clay Body Mask. We have Bye Bye Bloat Detoxifying Body Oil, and maybe my most favorite product in the new Bye Bye Bloat Depuff and Sculpt Routine, our Lymphatic Roller. So this routine is perfect for depuffing and sculpting the body. These products help to boost circulation. They also help to encourage lymphatic flow and drainage. Along with that, it supports the drainage of toxins and it helps to depuff and sculpt the body all over when used together. Step 1 in the Bye Bye Bloat Depuff and Sculpt Routine, take 2 of the Bye Bye Bloat Debloating capsules. This is the original debloating supplement. It is full of digestive enzymes and herbs that help debloating both from a digestive perspective but also from a water weight perspective. So taking these 2 capsules really helps to start the detox process in the entire Depuff and Sculpt routine. And let's talk about ingredients really quick. The enzymes in Bye Bye Bloat help to break down carbs, gluten, dairy, things that may be hard to digest. Fenugreek seed in this helps to eliminate gas, acidity. Fennel seed is about keeping your entire GI tract calm during the digestive process. And then parsley leaf helps with bloating and water weight. Coming in with step 2 is the Firming Clay Body Mask. I love this mask. Oh my gosh. This is what this mask looks like. It's like whipped. So this is step 2, and what I like to do is apply it on the focus areas that I'm going to be massaging, that I'm trying to depuff and sculpt. And so when I'm applying the body mask, I like to actually get it over the lymph nodes and kind of gently massage them or tap them while I'm putting on the mask to both prep the lymph nodes for drainage, but then I'm also putting the mask all over the focus area to help firm up the skin in that area and start to activate and boost circulation in that area, because that helps with the lymphatic drainage that's going to happen from the massage. So the caffeine in this boosts circulation, and the peppermint oil promotes that firm skin. Step 3, brand new Bye Bye Bloat Detoxifying Body Oil. We use the body oil to prep the skin for massage and keep the skin really hydrated and smooth and silky during massage. But I have to say that even just the oil on its own is so beautifully hydrating. It smells incredible. It really brings the spa experience home. So there's grapefruit in this, and that is a lymphatic stimulant that's going to help with the drainage of excess lymphatic fluid. The peppermint oil in this helps to soothe inflammation, and then it also includes rosemary oil, which helps to expel toxins from the skin. So you can see, I have a little mask on my hand, you can see just how smooth and silky this body oil is. I absolutely love it. It smells so good. So once you've applied your detoxifying body oil to your focus areas, you're gonna come in with your lymphatic roller. And so the massage is actually step 4, the final step in the Bye Bye Bloat Depuff and Sculpt routine. I love this little baby. It's ergonomic, it's easy to hold. It has the 7 little balls on it that help to support lymphatic flow and pushing lymph fluid into the lymph nodes. If you want to reduce the look of bloated, puffy skin, you simply perform lymphatic massage on the focus area with the roller, and you always want to roll towards the lymph nodes. Those are the 4 products in the Bye Bye Bloat Depuff and Sculpt routine. Remember, you have your classic Bye Bye Bloat capsules. Step 2, you come in with your Firming Clay Body Mask. Step 3, you apply your detoxifying body oil, and then you finish with step 4, the actual lymphatic massage using your lymphatic tool. I hope you love the new Bye Bye Bloat Depuff and Sculpt routine, and that's it for now from Love Wellness.